Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title down below, today I will be doing a 2-week update on the Sensationnel Jocelyn units. And yeah, if you guys want to hear my 2 cents and my personal experiences on this wig, stay tuned. But of course, before I get into the, all the fun stuff and my experiences on the wig, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. It only takes like 2 seconds, like might as well, like, just click it. Just bing! And then don't forget to put on your bell notifications so you guys will be notified every single time your girl posts a video. And yeah, let's get started. So first and foremost, as some of you guys may notice, I have absolutely no makeup on. I have my glasses on. I have a regular t-shirt on because honestly, I just want to get this review and this video filmed, and then I could finally throw this wig off to the side and hop on and get a new one, because honestly, when it comes to this unit, I'm over it. Long story short, as you guys can see by my initial review, I love the wig. The wig was amazing, but shortly, and I mean very shortly after that, this wig just turned into crap. Like, honestly, I'm so upset. I'm so disappointed. Like, obviously it's a synthetic unit, so I'm not expecting it to last super long, but at least last me a month, especially if it's like a wavy or a straight unit. It shouldn't be like unmanageable by the first week of wearing it every day. That's just my personal opinion. If you disagree, whatever the case may be, that's on you. So honestly, even after the first week, like as you guys can see, like the hair kind of clumps together. It's kind of frizzy. It's very hard to kind of brush through. Now granted, this is what the hair is like after me wearing it for a full day. So by the end of the day, this is basically what the wig looks like. So there is a lot of tangling. It's very hard for me to run my fingers through. And there's also a lot of shedding. Like, can you guys see this? Like, all this hair just came out. Like, really, sis? Really? I don't know. Honestly, again, I'm over this wig. Basically, what I would do is, in the morning, to try to make it look somewhat manageable, I would spray water in it and try to comb it out, and then like flip the curls to kind of make it look at least halfway decent, which in a way it works. But again, like the fact that it's so stiff now and you can still see how it's kind of frizzy at the ends, like that, it kind of, I don't know, like if I know my hair doesn't look up to par in like the way that I personally like it to look, it legit bothers me. And honestly, like, look, this little piece left out, like, even because like I have a mirror to the left, to the right of me right now, and I'm looking at myself and I'm just like, and granted, I did order another wig and that's still not coming yet. So basically, as soon as I'm done with this review, I'll slap it on one of my old wigs and I'm calling it a day. But yeah, long story short, I do not like the way the unit is. I don't know, we'll see, because I really wanted to buy this unit in yellow by like June, July-ish, because it's more like a summer type vibe to me. So I'm thinking about possibly ordering this wig again, but possibly in a different color. So we'll see, but I will definitely not be buying this wig again anytime soon. Again, the shedding is absolutely ridiculous, and it's not super easy to comb through. The ends are frizzy. The hair, mind you, this is 2 weeks. I can see if it was a month and it was acting like this, then that's okay. But it's been 2 weeks. And mind you, this is like everyday wear. I'm not moving and grooving around. I didn't go clubbing or nothing like that. I didn't sweat this hair out or nothing like that. Truth be told, I didn't do jack squat last week. And that's another reason why I've not did a single upload in a little over a week, which I'm a little upset about, but it's cool. But it's just like, for me to not really be doing anything, and for me to really be out and about all like that, and for the hair to behave the way it is, it's a no-no. It really is. It's a no-no for me. And yeah, if you guys are planning on buying this unit, definitely do not make this an everyday wig, because it will not last you that long. It really will not. But again, if you guys are curious in purchasing this wig, I will definitely leave a link up there for you guys to check out my initial review, where I give more details on the length, the cost, all that fun stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I have really nothing else to say about this unit. I'm tired of it at this point, and that's why I really just wanted to jump on here and show you guys what this hair looks like after 2 weeks, because again, I will be taking this wig off and plopping one of my old ones on. So if you see any future uploads or any uploads before this video, because I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that yet, but if you see me wearing a straight unit, it's not this hair. Just a heads up, it's not going to be this hair. But yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoyed the video, or you at least thought it was somewhat helpful to you and whether or not you wanted to purchase this hair, again, please don't forget to like the video, comment down below on your thoughts. Maybe you purchased this hair yourself, you maybe had a different experience. Please don't hesitate to comment down below so maybe other people can read it and give your thoughts. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more wig reviews, and also, most importantly, wig updates, because like I said in my other videos, I feel like those are lacking on YouTube when it comes to synthetic units. But that's neither here or there. But if you guys are definitely into the whole wig reviews, wig update, beauty, all that fun stuff, definitely click that subscribe button, because that's what you're definitely going to be getting from my channel. But yeah, so enough of me rambling. I hope you guys have a great day or night, or whatever time you happen to be watching this video. And yeah, have a good one.